my lovelies, welcome back to the channel. It is Tuesday. You know what that means.
Tuesday.
That's exactly what it means. It means that we're gonna get stuff done to the Ram, but let's get in there because we have some things to do and we will explain everything on the way to where we're going. Oh wow. Should I hop in the back? I'm just joking. Okay, you see that we just pulled up to O'Reilly's. That is because today we need to put in a power steering pump in this thing.
That's what's in this box. We're not here to pick up a pump, but we need the tool to take the pulley off of the front of it, and they rent them from here. So that's what we're getting.
That's what we're getting in a nutshell. Yeah, we're gonna pick up a couple of things, head back to the shop, and explain a little more about this wonderful vehicle because you're going to be seeing it a lot more, not only on Mischief Maker TV, but on
Rudy's Adventure and Design.
Yeah. Probably this one right here.
We got what we need.
Got it?
Yeah.
Good one, guys.
Awesome.
See ya.
Thank you.
Yeah.
See you later. We have to go register this thing. I think it's a good idea before we, I don't know, drive it to Moab, to EJS. Where, by the way, you guys can come see the 3 vehicles in this competition. We're going to explain a little more about the whole entire thing when we get back to the shop, but we just have a little more running around to do before we get there. I've never really noticed that America has a drive-through kind of thing going on with everything. Drive-through for food, for your medication, pharmacy, and believe it or not, DMV. The DMV here has a drive-through, but Rudy doesn't like drive-throughs. Apparently he likes to talk to people, which is not a bad thing. What you looking for?
I'm looking for a pen.
A pen? You have a pen, Higgins? Okay, that was a lot of side eye. Okay, so we just came out of the DMV. Do we have everything settled?
Nope.
No. You have an appointment for this afternoon, which is way better. It means we can go to the shop, get some stuff done, and come back. So that's what we're gonna do. We should have gone to the drive-thru.
Drive-thru
Just saying.
is not good.
Alright, so let me explain just a little bit about what this is all about. Onyx Off-Road is holding a competition between 3 channels, 3 vehicles, and we are all fighting for a place on the ultimate adventure at the end of this year. Now, Rudy and I went and purchased our beautiful Dodge Ram Charger, but we've not been allowed to touch it at all. Not yet. All 3 vehicles will be at EJS next week, and we have some challenges in front of us when we're there. So we just have to pretty much bring it stock and
safe.
and safe. Safety being the first thing. That is why it's in here today. That's why we're doing a couple of things so that it is safe to drive, because as you saw, Rudy could barely turn the wheel without grunting.
Yeah.
But we gotta get some work done because remember, we have that appointment this afternoon. So enough chit-chatting, let's get to work.
Everything is like roast.
Super
toasty.
hot.
Yeah.
So why don't we let everything cool down and
eat lunch.
eat lunch? Yay!
it's just 2 bolts. It straight up is only 2 bolts.
It's just 2 bolts.
It's gonna be easy.
He just said the worst thing you could say. This is going to be easy. Check us in 6 hours time. No, I'm just joking. Hopefully not. Fingers
Well, we're
crossed.
back 7 hours in.
All right. You comfy there?
I'm trying to decide. I don't want to get my hair cut. So.
Well, the wheels are
They're
so far away.
Well, I know, but I'm paranoid because it happens all the time. Really tight. Yeah. Push, push, push. That was almost my eyeball.
Oh, so sorry. I'm so sorry. Wait, let me just quickly get a step stool because then I can get my reach. So we're gonna take this out and then kind of show you guys the old and the new. You taking yours out already?
I just want to get the line disconnected before I get it all the way off.
I'm all the way off. There we go. Oh. So we're just gonna take the line off as well.
Yeah.
What's so funny is coming underneath other vehicles, right, instead of the Jeep. Look how close I am. Looks good under here though.
Okay. Well, I guess we can start undoing that very bottom bolt.
Alright, I got it. It's out.
He's confused. Ow.
Whoa.
It looked a lot worse than it was. Alright, there we are. And
so there's just still one more bolt, which is back here. It's more of a nut, actually. We thought it went all the way through, but it doesn't. So it's still a 15, but it is just on there.
so there is a stud on it.
Okay.
Well, so it should just come off still, but it's not. It's just rounding the nut.
Oh, is that what I'm doing?
Yeah.
That's awesome. That's something I definitely do not want to do. What is going on here?
The bracket bolt.
Yeah.
It just goes straight into a water jacket.
This makes no sense.
He said this should be relatively easy and quick.
No.
Nothing ever is.
Nothing ever is.
1987, though. What did you expect? So much room for activities in this office.
So much room for activities.
Yeah.
I gotta get a belt for these things.
How do you use this like a ratchet?
You just
turn it.
I'm getting my real
are
ratchet.
you getting you're getting a little frustrated with modern tools?
Yeah.
Me too.
I'm a caveman.
I'm a caveman. This light, I have to say, has been a lifesaver, not only here, but in the storage unit. We took it to KOH. We have a couple of them. Got them from Harbor Freight, so if you're looking for lights, that is the one. Whilst we're trying to fight with this and get this off, I have a question for you guys. What do you think we should do for our first modification? What do you think is the most important thing we should get on the Ram Charger? Let me know in the comments below.
Going any further? Does it come off still pretty easy?
No.
No.
All right.
I thought that was a bolt that just went all the way through. That was so wrong.
Yes.
Oh, you rolled it off, man.
Tell you what, that is not going back on.
Oh my gosh, that is like, it's a circle, and then it is literally a circle. That is super rounded off. Look at that.
So this new pump doesn't have a pulley on it. It's missing something very important. Oh, it's a good pulley. What we need to do is take the pulley off of this pump and put it onto the new one.
Yeah, I have never done this before, so Rudy is going to talk me through on how to do this, and then I'll know how to do it. Okay. And if I have to do it again, I'll just come back to this video and watch again.
Oh, this is a how-to?
Yeah,
okay, so basically, so see this like shoulder under there? Yeah. So this just goes around like that. This.
In the middle.
In the middle.
And then you just...
And this goes over it all to capture it all in there.
Oh, that would make sense. Perfect. And then we just tighten it down?
Yeah, pretty much.
All right.
Go ahead and tighten that. Oh.
Okay. Nice and tight?
Yeah.
Oh, the girl muscle I have.
Let's get an impact on that. Ooh. Okay. Tighten.
You ready?
Yep. Keep going. Okay, keep going.
Keep going?
Yep.
Oh, well, you know when it's done.
Oh, there it is.
Doesn't look too bad.
No, it's not too bad.
Oh, I really like that tool. So we have the old one, which is looking very old. Oh, very gross. But we have this new one, and that only took. It did take us a little longer than we thought.
We need to pull this off, though. That's the thing.
Okay.
That was spinning on me.
Oh, it was?
Yeah. So, do you have a vise?
I have one over there.
Might be easier.
Shall we just take it over there?
Yeah.
We have the tools. Let's use them. Will thin vice grips work?
Yeah, thinner vice grips maybe.
All right, let's see.
Okay.
Okay, so we've just taken the whole thing off because you saw that this was spinning with it. So now we're going to pop this in here and try and take the part that we need for the new one.
Ooh.
Well, that hurt.
Did you get it?
Oh.
Are you okay?
Yeah, no, that hurt a lot.
Oh, you got it though.
Yeah,
Oh, did I?
You broke it.
Broke your
You
thumb.
broke your thumb
Yeah.
on your you broke it on your forehead, which is fine.
Oh, yeah.
We're gonna slow motion. Rewind. If anyone needs anything broken, I'm your gal.
Delicious.
Delicious.
And this one,
Yep.
you grab a different tool completely and the collar goes away.
Okay. Because you're pushing it instead of pulling it out this time.
And if you look inside there, there's actually threads.
Oh yeah, there are. Okay.
So that this can go on.
Perfect. Wow.
Okay, go ahead.
Wait, should we just take it off 3? Maybe put it on 1?
Perfect. And that's how you do it.
So how much was this to rent? Because we rented this, right?
I think it's like free if you return it.
Oh.
They charge you for the tool, so you have to be able to cover the cost of the tool to rent it.
Yeah.
And then if you never return it, then it covers their loss.
Covers their loss, okay.
But it also like flags your account too, so you can't actually go back there.
That's not good. Found a nut to go on here, so that's kind of good from the shop. We thought that we weren't going to find one, but it fits on nice and dandy.
That is dandy.
Handy dandy.
All right, now we just need to put the other hose on. This goes like so. Easy.
It's easy. So easy.
Should just like pop in. Like Mary Poppins. Okay, I guess it's not popping in.
Right?
Disappointed in the popping of it.
We did get a popping of the hood though. That I was very happy about.
Yeah, this is beautiful.
Beautiful?
More oil all over the floor.
Yeah, that's fine. Beautiful. Now it's gone.
Okay.
Time to pop it back in?
Just pop it back.
Just pop it back in. So when I took this out, I was like, oh, bracket came out with the bolt. I don't know what it does. So the bolt goes in here. This goes into a threaded hole.
Yeah.
And then this is so that you can tighten it. Get in there and tighten it.
You'll see. We'll use it.
I'm just lifting the tires up to purge the system, and I'm going to go grab power steering fluid from the back of Oma the Tacoma. It came all the way up. I was like, no.
Strawberry smoothie? Yeah, it'll probably overflow again.
Yeah.
For sure.
Okay, I think it's time to take this for a ride. What time is it, Rudy?
4:00.
That's kind of perfect. We have an appointment to go to, so fingers crossed we get in here and it works perfectly. That would be awesome, but it's also a big question mark. So let's head on there and get on over to DMB. Well, I guess Higgins is staying here. We tried to get him in here, right, Rudy?
Yep.
He wasn't having it.
He's conflicted.
Come on, Higgy. Come on. He went and hopped on Walter's knee. Walter was so happy about it.
Come on, buddy.
Yeah.
That's right. You chose right. You chose the right side. Okay, so we're a little bit late for our appointment, but just by a couple of minutes, 5-10 minutes.
15, 12, something like that.
So, something like that. It's fine. Oh my gosh, I have black all over my face. There we go. I keep spreading it all over the place. That only took a couple of hours to do, which is perfect. And it works. It works, everyone. So we're super, super happy. Now it's just time to get this registered and we should be ready to go to Moab.
Oh, yeah.
Oh yeah. Now what's going to happen is that Rudy and I are not going to do an episode on the same thing. What we're going to do is we're going to switch it out. So the next episode of the Ram Charger, you're going to have to go check out Rudy's channel and we're just going to switch it back and forth.
We'll see how it goes.
Yeah, we'll see how it goes. It's going to be really good, I feel. So definitely remember to check Onyx Off-Road out. If you're going to EJS, get it downloaded. It's going to help you heaps on the trails and you're going to feel so confident getting on and off them. But guys, thank you so much for watching. And from Higgins, Rudy and I, we'll see you later.